You are God and all your thoughts are perfect. Therefore, all spirits have no choice but to do what you say. And then your life is out of your hands. It's out of your jurisdiction. It's no longer yours. Don't become controlled by your shadow. Your shadow, your fears, the darker realms of yourself, which you could transmute, transmigrify, and pull energy from, but you're not even going to be on the level to do anything like that until you master these methodologies that I'm giving you right now. Pay close attention. There's nothing wrong with sexual desires. There is nothing wrong with sexual desires, but you have to realize the severity of what takes place. Nothing is more pure, more sacred than the ritual of sex, the mere act of coming itself, the opening of the third eye and the heart chakra, the merging of all of the energy, starting from the bottom of the feet, going to the top of the head and above, activating that halo, that sticker of the Elohim. This angelic experience, as well as demonic experience, must be something only done with those of equal value, or just do spiritual masturbation. And as you come, visualize the things you want to manifest. This is an excerpt out of a lecture that I did that I'm letting you listen to, and I'm going to be stopping and expounding and going down more and more portals, more and more cosmic rabbit holes to give you some things to think about. So don't skip over to something else. Stay here and get what you need. I guarantee you got brought to me to get the things that you need, because energy doesn't make mistakes. So welcome. Now let's go. Anger, fear, doubt, apprehensiveness, being anxious. All of these things. Learn to embrace all of the different demons inside of you, aka the different emotions. Embrace them. And then separate from them and become bigger than them. This puts you in the vernacular of having total and complete self-mastery and beyond. We have the wisdom and the knowledge of all of the different generations, the different sets of ancestors that dwell in our bodies, that dwell in our melanin. We have all of that and beyond. Relax. We have prior greatness inside of us. Every time our loved ones pass, their energy goes right into us. So everything is recycled when you're dealing with the spirit, when you're dealing with the melanin, when you're dealing with the whole metaphysical, scientifical, spiritual, even physical imprint of all things. Everything rotates back within itself and becomes more and more potent. So you have everything inside of you to do the things that you want to do. The answers to all of your questions dwell inside of you, so there is really nothing for you to ask but yourself. Ask upon the ancestors, which are just different parts of yourself. Understand that it is your moment in time. It is your time to shine in this moment in time. And don't get blinded by your own shine. Go within yourself, relax and be comfortable with yourself. Remove yourself from fear and doubt. Stop comparing yourself to others. Look at what's good about you that you know these are my strong points. I do this. These things about me look the best. These things about me don't. These things about my personality are the best. These things, I don't know. I kind of don't do good in these things. Take the self-assessment and embrace all of it, and then separate from it and remind yourself, hey, I'm just having a human experience. It ain't that serious. I'm just going to enjoy this shit and make it look good and reconnect with my godhood. Now let's finish listening here. Take control and go and tap into these realms of reality that dwell inside of you. Learn to access and be in touch with all of the wisdom that's dwelling inside of your DNA, the cells in your body, the melanin in your body. You have been chosen to be the protected one in your family. You are the only spiritual one in your family. Even though you get persecuted and you feel alone, you are not alone. You have been reconfigured and recreated and reincarnated through the fibers of your family. You are the byproduct of the necessary missing ingredient, the missing element in your family. You are the spiritual one. You are the gift and the curse, the good and the bad. You are the gift and the curse, the good and the bad of your family. That's why you're spiritual and they're not. That's why when you try to elevate, they break their neck to tell you what you're not and what they know you for. That's why you're the black sheep of the family. That's why you feel the need to tell your mama what she should and shouldn't do, or your daddy or other people in the family that should be on a hierarchy than you. You are the reincarnated big mama or pawpaw in the family that reincarnated and came back out of great necessity. The new invention, the reincarnation of them is you to come back and be the patriarch of the motherfucking family, the matriarch, whatever the fuck, the leader. This is why you walk around and you're always feeling everybody's energy. Being like the goddamn barber that cuts so many other people's hair, his hair look fucked up. Yeah, that be you. You be the one that's always helping other people's lives out so goddamn much, you be forgetting about you. Your life be a mess. Your life be needing to line up, be needing to edge up, because you out here lining everybody else up. Tell me I'm wrong. Now let's finish listening to this lecture. Soak up some of this good spiritual game, the game of life. The powerful and the weak. You are the total sum of everything and all things. Sit inside of this power and stop taking things so serious, but take things serious from the perspective of you are here to make mistakes. You are here to live, love, and then shed the body and keep going and creating more and more and more new paradigms. Having no regret is what you must focus on. Having no fear, no doubt is what you must focus on. You must get inside your own brain, get inside your own emotions, and feel it, and see it, and see it, and become it, and become it. Ashe. The negative people in your family that persecute you and judge you are actually ordained to do that to you. The negative people in your family that judge you and that break their neck to remind you of who you used to be and get in the way of what you're trying to become. They doing their job. They was hating on you in the past life. The family that you are born to here in the illusion, in the obstacle course, are comprised of the different loves and challenges. Certain people in the family, it's going to be like, yeah, that's my heart. Then certain people in the family, and it could be one of your parents, it could be one of your children, Understand me? Different people around you. You got to start knowing who around you and what the fuck really going on. That child you gave birth to could have been an enemy from a past life to come through and finish the job, to come and still get that energy from you. They still want it. You'll be like, goddamn, why is this goddamn child so unruly? Why do I always got to battle? That's the same motherfucker you was battling in a prior past life. But you didn't handle that. You didn't detach from it like a big old god or a big old goddess and let it go. No, you let it touch your little heart, and then you dug your fingers into that experience, and it left an imprint on your soul, and your soul came back to get the experience and brought the same spirit, the same soul with it, live and direct in the form of your child. It could be your mama, your daddy, your baby mama. Hell, it could even be a part of you. Hey now, the game get deep. Pay attention.